Rocket Lawyer step-by-step instructions. Sign up. Quitclaim deed process. Cancellation of service. Disclaimer. As mentioned previously in the Case Studies webinar video, it's crucial to avoid probate on your home to ensure a smoother transition of assets. The way to do this is by transferring ownership of your home into your trust. You own the trust, and the trust owns the house. This process will not impact your existing mortgage or homeowner's insurance. Please follow these instructions to complete your quitclaim deed. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. Slide 1. Search and select Rocket Lawyer. Instructions. In your browser, type in Rocket Lawyer into the search bar at the top. Click on the first link titled Rocket Lawyer. This is a sponsored ad that takes you directly to the Rocket Lawyer site. Slide 2. Start free trial. Instructions. On the Rocket Lawyer homepage, locate the button in the top right corner labeled Start Free Trial. Click on this button to begin the account setup process and access free features. Slide 3. Sign up for an account. Instructions. Fill in the email field with your email address. Create a password that is at least 6 characters and includes at least one number. Click the Continue button to proceed. This confirms your agreement to Rocket Lawyer's terms of service and privacy policy. Slide 4. Dashboard. Start new document. Instructions. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. On the top right corner, click the Start New button to begin creating your first document. Slide 5. Select Make Documents. Instructions. On the What would you like to do next page, click on the Make Documents box. This will allow you to start creating a legal document from Rocket Lawyer's template library. Slide 6. Search for document. Instructions. On the Make Documents page, click on the Search Our Documents bar. Type the name of the document you need, for example, Quitclaim Deed. Slide 7. Select Quitclaim Deed. Instructions. After typing Quit into the search bar, a list will appear. Click on Quitclaim Deed from the drop-down list that appears below. Slide 8. Begin the Quitclaim Deed. Instructions. You will be taken to the Quitclaim Deed overview page. Click the orange Make Document button to begin creating the deed. Slide 9. Indicate property location. Instructions. Under Where is the property located? Select the state where the property is located using the drop-down menu. Click the Continue button once the state is selected. If you need clarification, click the Need help with this question? Link for assistance. Slide 10. Select a state. Instructions. From the drop-down list, choose the appropriate state where the property is located. Once selected, click the orange Continue button to proceed with document creation. Slide 11. Enter preparer's name. Instructions. In the Name field, enter the full name of the person preparing the document. Click the Continue button to proceed. Slide 12. Identify grantor type. Instructions. Choose the option that best describes the type of grantor, the party giving up interest in the property, an individual person, a married couple, a divorced couple, a business, a trust. Select the one that applies. Only one at a time if there are multiple. Click Continue to move forward. Slide 13. Enter grantor's name. Instructions. Enter the full legal name of the grantor exactly as it appears on the current deed. If the grantor is part of a couple, only list one spouse's name here. Click Continue to proceed. Slide 14. Marital status of grantor. Instructions. Select either yes or no to answer whether the grantor is married. Marital status may affect legal wording in the document. Click Continue after selecting. Slide 15. Enter grantor's address. Instructions. Enter the following details for the grantor's physical address. P.O. boxes are not accepted. street address, city or municipality, county/parish, state, select from drop-down, zip code. After completing all fields, click Continue to proceed. Slide 16. Where will the quitclaim deed be signed? Instructions. Use the drop-down to select the state where the quitclaim deed will be signed and notarized. Enter the county or parish where this will take place. Click Continue to move to the next section. Slide 17. Confirm grantors. Instructions. Review the listed grantor name that you previously entered. If needed, you can click Add Another to include a second grantor. Once correct, click Continue to proceed. Slide 18. Identify type of grantee. Instructions. Under Type of Grantee, choose who is receiving ownership. In this case, select Trust, as highlighted by the arrow. Click Continue to proceed. Slide 19. Enter grantee name. Instructions. Enter the name of the person, business, or trust that should appear as the grantee on the new deed. Make sure to type it exactly as it should appear on the document. Click Continue to save and proceed. Slide 20. Enter trustee's name. Instructions. Enter the name of trustee, the person who will be signing on behalf of the trust. After filling in the name, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Slide 21. Enter the grantee's address. Instructions. Fill in the grantee's physical address fields. Do not enter a P.O. box. Address. City or municipality. County/parish. State, select from drop-down. Zip code. Once complete, click Continue. Slide 22. Confirm grantees. Instructions. Review the listed grantee information. Only first spouse for couples. If applicable, e.g., for individual revocable trusts that are not joint, click Add Another to add a second grantee, like a spouse's trust. Once confirmed, click Continue. Slide 23. Property address. Instructions. Enter the property's address where the title change is taking place. Address. City or municipality. County/parish. Zip code. If the property is in an unincorporated area, check the box at the bottom. Click Continue. Slide 24. Property's parcel number. Instructions. Enter the tax or assessor's parcel number, APN, found on the current deed. Steps to find deed info if you do not have a current deed document or real property assessment notice for APN, etc. Step 1. www.levelsets.com. Step 2. Select the county that your deed has been recorded through. Step 3. Find your county and select the recorder website and info under that county's info. If you do not see your county, you may have to manually search your county's recording or clerk's office on the web. Make sure that you access a government website for free and correct information for lookups. This website will typically end in .gov. Step 4. Once you have arrived at the next page, please scroll down until you see your county's information again on the left side of the page. Click on the link that says County Recorder Website. Step 5. You will now be directed to your county's record site and may search and look up your deed information. This is often needed to correctly identify the property. Click Continue. Slide 25. Money exchange between parties. Instructions. Choose whether money will be exchanged as part of this transfer. Select No if this is a gift, family transfer, or for estate planning. This will insert language such as $1, 1.00, and other good and valuable consideration into the deed. Select Yes only if actual payment will be involved. Click Continue to finalize this section. Slide 26. Legal description. The system asks whether you want to type out the legal description of the property now, or attach a copy of it later. The legal description must match what's on the current property deed exactly. So many users choose to attach it later to avoid errors. Make your selection. Click on the circle next to. I'll type out the legal description here, if you have the exact information on hand and would like to manually input it. Or click on the circle next to. I'll attach a copy of the legal description later if you would like to attach the document after you print it. This is the recommended option if you're unsure of the exact wording or want to use a scanned copy. After making your selection, click the orange Continue button to proceed to the next section. Slide 27. Transfer. Effective date. Enter the date. The quitclaim deed will become effective. This is typically the date the grantor signs the document. Click Continue to proceed. Slide 28. Mineral rights reservation. Select No if the grantor is not keeping any rights to minerals, oil, or gas under the property. Click Continue to move on. Slide 29. Life estate reservation. Select No to indicate the grantor is not retaining the right to live in or occupy the property after the transfer. Click Continue to confirm. Slide 30. Tax statement recipient. Taxpayer name. Enter the name of the person who will receive future tax statements, typically the grantee. Address. Enter the full mailing address, city, state, zip code. Complete all remaining fields. Checkbox. Check the box if the deed should also be mailed to this address. Click Continue. Slide 31. Choose your trial and start using your document. Select the Rocket Legal Trial Plan. $0 for 7 days, then $39.99 per month billed monthly. Includes unlimited documents, Rocket Sign, and legal Q&A. Slide 32. Enter your payment information. 1. Review that you will not be charged today. Enter your first and last name. 3. Input your card number, expiration date, month/year, and security code, CVC. Enter your billing zip code. Click Yes, Start My Free Trial. Slide 33, Processing Confirmation. Wait while your payment and account setup are being processed. Slide 34, Document Draft Complete. Click Download to save your completed quitclaim deed. Slide 35, Choose File Type for download. Choose the PDF format to download your quitclaim deed in a print-ready version. Slide 36. Confirm your download. 1. Click the Downloads icon in your browser. 2. Click on quitclaimdeed.pdf to open your downloaded document. Slide 37. Review and print the quitclaim deed. 1. Scroll through the thumbnail pane to view all pages. 2. Click the printer icon to print a hard copy of your document. Slide 38. Navigate to Member Settings. 1. Click your name profile icon in the top right. 2. Select Member Settings from the drop-down. Slide 39. Cancel or downgrade membership. Click the Downgrade My Membership and Lose My Benefits link. Slide 40. Membership Overview. 1. Note your trial expiration date. 2. Click Manage Membership to make changes. Slide 41. Offered Downgrade option. Click Continue to downgrade if you do not wish to switch to the $4.99 per month Essentials plan. Slide 42. Final confirmation before downgrade. Click Complete Downgrade to confirm cancellation and switch to the free version. Slide 43. Downgrade confirmation. Click Back to Member Settings after seeing the confirmation message. Slide 44. Reload Member Settings. Click the Reload button in your browser to refresh and confirm new membership status. Slide 45. Free membership activated. Account now shows free membership status. You can print, sign, and download existing documents. Next steps. 1. The blank Exhibit A page is where you can attach the legal description of your property or land if it wasn't manually entered into Rocket Lawyer. Once that's done, gather all the documents from your estate plan and have them notarized with a witness present. Most local banks offer notary services and may charge a small fee. 2. Then take the quitclaim deed document, along with your certification of trust, to your county recorder's office to transfer the deed of your home into the name of your trust. This process typically costs around $50. 3. Once everything is finalized, be sure to store all of your documents in a safe and secure place. It's important that your trustee and power of attorney know where to find them in the event of your unexpected passing. 4. If anything changes, please don't hesitate to let us know so we can keep your documents up to date. Also, if you have not done so already, don't forget to cancel your Rocket Lawyer account. Wishing you a great day and peace of mind, knowing your legacy is now protected. Thank you.